Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a basic tutorial on how to use Photopea. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Photopea application on my computer, and actually you can use the Photopea website to edit your photo. Basically guys, we can use this application to edit our photo, and if you don't want to install the application, you just need to go to the Photopea website and you can use the online editor. And here guys, we can choose a new project, and then you can choose a ratio for your photo. For example, I'm going to create Instagram stories, so I'm just going to choose this one, and we can select the background of the project. You can choose white or transparent or black or custom, and I'm just going to leave it like that, and we can click on create. Alright, and this is how the Photopea looks like, and you will be able to use the editing tools right here. But for today, I'm just going to show you a very basic tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how we can import a photo to this project. If you want to import photo, you can go to the file menu, and then you can select open and place, and just select the photo you want to edit using a Photopea. I'm just going to choose this one, click on open. Okay, and then I'm going to zoom in like this, and I'm going to import more photo. I'm going to add this one as well. For example, I'm going to create like a photo collage using this Photopea app. So I'm just going to add photo again. I'm going to add 2 photos at once. Let's see whether we can add 2 photos at once or not. Okay, I'm going to choose 2 photos or 3 maybe. Click on open. Oh, okay, we can add more than 1 photos actually, but we need to arrange it. Okay, I'm just going to make it photo collage like this. Okay guys, and that's all the basic tutorial on how to use Photopea. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.